Hey everyone, Mr. Steckler here. So a quick video on control and left click. So let's say you are in Microsoft OneNote and you would like to go over to Microsoft OneDrive. So you can go up to the waffle button up here, you can give that a click, and if you were to click on OneDrive, what would happen is your Microsoft OneNote actually goes away. It goes straight to OneDrive and we no longer have OneNote open. And we don't really want that because it's kind of frustrating to be working in something and then have to get back to the same spot that we were in. So what you can do is you can open up the app button, the waffle button, and you're going to hold down Control and you're going to left click on OneNote, or in this case on OneDrive. And by holding down Control and left clicking, you'll notice OneDrive opens in a new tab, but we still keep this tab open. So this is a handy shortcut to open up a new tab without replacing our current tab over here. That way when we go into our lesson, which is 1.3 over here for OneDrive, we're going to be able to work in both our OneNote notebook and in OneDrive at the same time. So that's it.